Fufu is a popular food in Africa. Each and everyone has the way they prepare theirs. I mean, the countries, okay? And in Ghana, we have different types of fufu. When you go to my hometown, we are actually not interested in cassava mixed with plantain, okay? We usually eat the yam fufu because we have a lot of yam at my end. Now, the fufu can be prepared with any type of tuber, and then you add your plantains. So it can be potatoes, cocoyam, yam, cassava, or yuca. So in today's video, we are not going to prepare it traditionally. We are going to use the store-bought one. Now, that is my cocoyam flour I bought from the shop. I added some water to it. I will mix it very well, and then we'll continue from there. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. And because of that, please subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free and you will enjoy it here. So most of us who thought when you go to the Ewe land, we enjoy only akple. No, please. Ewes enjoy fufu, especially when you go to the whole area, okay? That is where I can talk about, because that is where my mother comes from. So we enjoy the yam fufu because we have a lot of yam and we celebrate yam festival at that place. Now we are done mixing everything. I will just wash my hand and then we prepare our food. So you can actually pair your fufu with any soup of your choice. Some people choose to enjoy their fufu with okra. It is not strange, okay? You can enjoy it with any soup of your choice, but it goes very well with light soup. Yes. Now give it a stir and then allow it to come together like a dough. So if like we are preparing this traditionally, we would have boiled our cocoyam and then pound it in the mortar, where we use our mortar and then the pestle to pound it to get that texture. We are going to get it here. It involves a lot of strength, but trust me, tradition is tradition, or tradition is always the best. But we are in a hurry. Let's prepare this. Now this is how it looks. I'll go ahead and then drive it towards me, because now it has come together and it is heavy, so I have to bring it towards me. As you can see, it is very easy to make, and fufu tastes so good. I have not eaten fufu before, but I've heard a lot about fufu. People enjoy fufu a lot, and I have heard a lot that it tastes good, okay, from people. Now I realized it was very hard or heavy for me, so I decided to add some water to it so that it can lose some more, or it can become a bit soft. Each and everyone and how they like their fufu. Some people want it soft, others want it a bit soft, others want it hard. But trust me, if today I want to eat fufu, I would love to try the soft one because I love soft. Now drive it like this. It shouldn't drive it towards you, okay? Just play around it. Let it be like a merry-go-round, okay? Play around this so that the water can mix with the dough very well before you drive it towards you. If you do it that way, you're not going to mess the place, okay? But if you start driving it towards you, immediately you add the water, that liquid is going to pour on your burner, and after you finish preparing food, you're going to give yourself another work. This time around, I don't give myself work. That's just by the way. Now this is how the fufu looks, and as you can see, it is free and soft. So our fufu is ready. I am just going to mold it and then we are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Do good and love yourself. See you in the next one. Bye bye.